Welcome. In this video, I will review to you a profitable strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index profitably. Whether you are a beginner or a pro trader, the strategy I'm about to show you now will help you trade volatility 75 index profitably. Just pay attention to the strategy I'm going to show you now. Now the indicators used here are ADS and the moving average, only two indicators. Now this is how it works. When you see a simultaneous crossing between the candlesticks crossing the moving average and at the same time the ADS are crossing each other at the same time. At the same time, then that is a profitable signal for you to jump in. Now you can see that this is an uptrend, and the ADS, the one in green color, that is plus DI, is above, showing a trend, showing upward trend. So you take a buy. This is whenever you see this is simultaneous crossing between the ADS and the candlestick crossing the moving average. This is a high signal for you to do what? To jump in. Now let's proceed. You see a lot of profit for you. Now watch here. I want to show you something very significant here. Now you see here, just observe these 2 points. Now I want to review to you. Just observe these 2 points. You see here and you see here, there is no simultaneous crossing. The candlestick crosses the moving average, but here the ADS are not crossing each other. So this is a false signal. You don't take this trade. Do you understand? You don't take the trade. Now watch here. This is watch closely. Watch here. Watch it here. This is simultaneous crossing. This is ADS here, and this is candlestick crossing the moving average. And if you watch, you see that the crossing occur simultaneously. Do you see it? The crossing occur simultaneously. So here now you take buy position. You take what? Buy position. Very important. You take what? Buy position. Whenever the crossing occurs simultaneously, that is a huge gain for you to make. Now watch. This is enough gain, guys. This thing pay. This is quite enough gain for you to make thousands of dollars. Now let's proceed. You see here, this is another now watch here. Look at it here. You see here, this is what is simultaneous crossing. Simultaneous crossing. Watch here and watch here. This is a simultaneous crossing. So in this case, the red ADS is above, showing you a downtrend. So here you are going to take a sell position. You see the crossing occur at the same time, so you are going to take what? A sell position. I'm going to take a sell position and watch. This is very huge profit here. This is very huge what? Profit. This is very huge profit. And if you watch the selling continue, guys, this is very huge profit for you. Now let me show you the setup. The moving average, the period, one of the moving average, the period is 20, method is smoothing. That is the first moving average, 20, method smoothing. Now this is the second moving average, period 50, method exponential. You understand? Two moving average and the average directional movement index. Average directional movement index. The period is what? 100. And the style, you will choose the color of the style to be the same with your screen background. Your screen background. Now plus DI and the minus DI is the two line crossing each other. The plus DI represents a bullish line, while the minus DS represents what? A bearish line. So when the green line is above, it means the market is what? Buying. That is it is what? Uptrend. Why? When the red line is up, it means that the market is what? Selling. Guys, copy this thing down and apply it. Make a huge amount of money for yourself trading volatility 75 index. It is a profitable trade for you to make. Guys, this thing pays heavily. Thank you.